Hello, beautiful creative people! Today we are showing how to sew SEOUL Pants version 2 easily and quickly. In this video, you'll learn how to create DIY comfy palazzo wide leg anime style pants featuring spacious pockets, an elastic waistband, and no side seams. We'll also demonstrate how to make patch pockets with finished raw edges and how to quickly and perfectly finish the hems. Step 1. Patch pockets. Finish pockets raw edges with serger, zigzag stitches, binding tape, etc. Leave the pockets openings unfinished. Fold finished edges on the wrong side and press. Finish pockets openings with binding strips. Place pockets on the pants pieces, sew and press. Step 2. Topline prep. Fold the pants top edge in 1 centimeter on the wrong side and press. Step 3. Crotch seams. Place pants pieces right sides together. Sew crotch seams. Finish the seams with serger, zigzag stitches, binding tape, etc. Press the seams. Step 4. Inseams. Place the inseams right sides together and sew. Finish and press the inseams. Step 5. Elastic waistband. Cut 4 cm wide elastic and sew its short ends together. The elastic length equals waist circumference plus 2 cm for the seam allowance. Mark the length quarters of the elastic. Align the quarters of the elastic and pants top line. Place the elastic on the ironed top line under the seam allowance. Sew the elastic and pants together along the top line close to the edge. Fold the elastic waistband on the wrong side. Sew close to the elastic bottom edge. Use the previous stitches as a guide. Optional step: sew along the central line of the elastic waistband. Iron the waistband. Step 6. Hemming. Before hemming, try your pants on. Check their length. Shorten pants if needed, leaving an allowance of 3 centimeters for hemming. For hemming a 3 centimeter wide hem, fold the bottom edge in 1.5 centimeters on the wrong side twice and press. We mark 6 centimeters from the bottom edge on the wrong side. Fold the edge to the marked line and press. Then fold the bottom edge to the ironed line and press again. Top stitch close to the hemming edge, the same way we do for sewing sole version number 1. However, we did not have enough fabric. For a 3 cm hem in this project, we have just 1 cm to use as a seam allowance. For this project, we use a 5 cm wide strip from another fabric as facing. Mark 2 cm on the wrong side, fold the edge to the mark, and press to get 1 cm folding. Place the facing's raw edge on the pant's bottom edge, right sides together, and sew in 1 cm. Iron the seam. Fold the facing on the wrong side and press. Top stitch close to the facing's edge and press.
And that's it. Enjoy your soul pants.
You can try to hide